This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to identify and manage school restrictions on your Windows 11 device. First, let's understand what kind of restrictions you might be facing. Many schools use Mobile Device Management, or MDM, to control device settings. This can include limiting application installations, website access, or even changing system configurations. Knowing the type of restriction is the crucial first step to addressing it effectively. Next, it's essential to verify your account's administrative privileges. If your account is a standard user, you won't be able to make significant changes to system restrictions. You'll need an administrator account to proceed with most adjustments. You can check your account type in the User Account section of the Control panel. Ensure you have the necessary permissions before attempting any modifications. If you have administrative access, you can explore the local group policy editor. To open it, type gpedit, MSC into the Run dialog. Here, you'll find various settings under both Computer Configuration and User Configuration. Carefully review and adjust policies that might be imposing restrictions. Remember, making incorrect changes can affect system stability, so proceed with caution and understand each setting's purpose. As a final, comprehensive solution, consider a clean reinstallation of Windows 11. This process will completely wipe your hard drive, removing all existing software, data, and, crucially, any lingering school restrictions. It's a fresh start for your device. Before you begin, make sure to back up all your important files and documents to an external drive or cloud storage, as everything will be permanently deleted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.